Well, school is out along coastal Delmarva, and I know there is a phrase out there that parents do not like to hear in those summer months, and it is, I'm bored. And at the Lewes Public Library, they don't believe in boredom. That's why we've got Lauren Levin and Julie Hollingsworth joining us today. And I feel like the library is such a fantastic resource for parents and families to use all year long, but especially in the summer when kids aren't in school and that part of their brain isn't necessarily being exercised as much as it is in the school months. So tell us what you guys have going on for the summer and what kids and families and teens too can all look forward to at the Lewes Public Library.
So we definitely have something for everyone. We tell people that you can come to the library every day of the week if you wanted. Except for Sunday, we're not open on Sundays. But yeah, for kids, we have on Monday, we have garden story time. On Tuesday, we have preschool story time. And on Wednesday, we have baby toddler story time. Thursdays, we have amazing performances. On Fridays, we have activities in the Children's Learning Garden in Stango Park, which is right next door to the library. Yeah. And then Julie here.
So I am the Teen Services Librarian. Yes, I deal with all the teens. I love it. Yes, I used to teach 11th and 12th grade. These are my people.
The best.
They are the best. All right, so every Thursday is one of our teen programs, and we started last Thursday. We had a summer kickoff bonfire. And we made s'mores.
Nice.
It was wonderful. It was awesome. If you feel bored, if you're not sure what else to do, it's a space to build community. So every Thursday we have a different program, except for the 4th of July week.
Makes sense.
Yes, we're taking off that week. We're doing Water Wars. We're doing Library After Dark.
Very fun.
We're doing a beach day. We're doing a movie screening in our pavilion, and we are also doing a tie-dye finishers party. So we have something every week throughout the summer.
Now, obviously, you guys have a lot going on, but the fun does not stop. Wednesdays also have sort of an added bonus for the summer season. Tell us what's going on.
All right, so Wednesdays are our Summerscape program. They are for people of all ages. Normally we bring in these different culturally diverse programs, and it is lovely. It's out in our pavilion.
Fun. Something that we talk about here on the Coast Life Couch is, it feels a lot like there's a lack of third spaces, and I think especially for that teenage group, this is so important because it gives them a space to socialize, preferably kind of without social media at the forefront of everything that they're doing. It allows people to make those real, true, bonded connections a little bit. I also understand that dinosaurs are kind of the theme all summer, aren't they?
They are.
Yes, yeah.
Fun.
The theme is Unearth the Story. Ooh. So it's sort of, all those dinosaurs, fossils, all those cool things. In fact, the performer we have this Thursday is called Science Heroes, and it's sort of dinosaur themed, which is pretty cool. But we were actually talking about third spaces and how exciting that is, and it's just a great opportunity for people of all ages and backgrounds to come.
If you haven't set foot in a library in some time, highly recommend that you do because it is it's so much more than just books. Obviously, books, reading, great. However, back in the summer when I was a kid, you could not convince me to pick up a book before it was time to start doing my summer reading. But I feel like the library has so much to offer in so many different ways, and just again a great way to get the kids and the parents out of the house too, to just enjoy some time together and enjoy maybe doing something a little bit different.
Yeah, totally. Yep.
If parents are hearing this and they're wanting to encourage their teens or their little guys to get out of the house, join a program that you guys have at the library, where can they go for more information and how do they sign up? Because I also understand, one of the other benefits of the library, everything's free.
That's correct.
Everything is
So
free.
if you go to the website is lewes.lib.de.us.
Perfect.
And everything you need to know is there. All our calendars, all information. You can always give us a call. But yeah, everything's there, ready to go.
Fantastic. Well, Lauren, Julie, thank you guys for being here today, and thank you guys for what you're doing with the Lewes Public Library every day. I know it's making a big difference for people in our community.
We love it.
Thank
we
you.
love it.
Yes,
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
But we do have more Coast Life to get to. Actually, speaking of reading, that is kind of tied into our great debate, which we will get to next.